In the heart of our advanced civilization, it's a stark reality that 1/3 of the global population, approximately 2.4 billion people, are still entangled in a daily struggle for basic needs. Women, often the primary cooks in their households, embark on arduous journeys, walking miles under the scorching sun or in the biting cold to collect enough food to cook a single meal of a day. The weight of the wood is not just physical, it's the weight of an age-old practice that binds them to a life of hardship and health risks. The simple act of cooking, a source of nourishment and life, becomes a daily ordeal for these women and their families. The smoke that fills their lungs and stings their eyes is a silent killer, leading to heart disease, stroke, cancer, chronic lung disease, and pneumonia, among others.
मिट्टी का चूल्हा पे खाना पकाते थे, है नी, बचपन से बनाते थे, तो धुआं लग लग के पूरी आँख खराब हो गई, वो लाल चट हो गई। तो मैंने किया कि ऐसे हो गई हो तो हो जाएगी अच्छी, वो तो ज़्यादा होने लगी, फिर ये है तो पूरी सूज गई, पूरी ये बाहर तक ये लाल चट हो गई थी।
It's a grim paradox that the very act of preparing food, a symbol of care and sustenance, is a significant contributor to diseases and premature deaths, particularly for women and children in low and middle income countries.
परेशानी होती थी मिट्टी के चूल्हे से, घर पूरे मतलब धुंध हो जाते थे और खुद को परेशानी आती थी और बच्चा लोगों को परेशानी आती थी। आँख में आंसू निकलती थी, फिर कहीं आंसू निकलती थी, फिर पूरे शरीर में फिर घबराहट होती थी।
But the ripple effects of this issue extend beyond the immediate health risks. The reliance on biomass fuels for cooking is not just a health hazard, it's an environmental crisis as well.
3 किलोमीटर जाना पड़ता, 3 किलोमीटर के बावजूद तुम्हें वहाँ से लकड़ी बांध के भारा बांध के लाना पड़ती।
The trees cut down for firewood lead to deforestation, disrupting ecosystems and contributing immensely to climate change. The smoke that billows from millions of kitchens worldwide contributes around 2.6% of total global greenhouse gas emissions, accelerating global warming, making cooking with polluting biomass one of the most concerning health and climate hazards. These stories are not isolated. They echo across continents in the lives of millions of women and children. The smoke from their kitchens is a deadly threat, claiming millions of lives prematurely every year. However, amidst the smoke and the hardship, there is hope. EKI's Clean Cooking Initiative, with its innovative improved cook stove, helps disrupt this cycle of hardship and environmental degradation. EKI's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility is buzzing with activity in Nasik, a quaint town in the Indian state of Maharashtra. Over 500 individuals are employed here, contributing to the production of an innovative solution, the Agnika Eco Mini Cook Stove. This facility boasts the highest production capacity of natural draft biomass-based cook stoves globally, potentially producing up to 4 million cook stoves annually. The cook stoves are not just a cooking device, but a symbol of hope and transformation. These cook stoves have a thermal efficiency of 36.42%, surpassing traditional mud or 3-stone fire cook stoves, which have a thermal efficiency of 8 to 10%. They cut firewood consumption by 45 to 55%.
अभी तो हम लोग जाएंगे जंगल, एक दिन लकड़ी लेके आएंगे तो इसमें खाना बनाएंगे तो समझ लो 1 सप्ताह चल जाएगा। और वो घर में जो मिट्टी के चूल्हे में पहले बनाते थे उसमें तो 2 ही 3 दिन में खत्म हो जाता था।
This means less time spent collecting firewood, less smoke in the kitchen, and a significant reduction in the emission of greenhouse gases.
तो पहले ये मिट्टी का चूल्हा था, उसमें दिक्कत आ रही थी। इस चूल्हे में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आ रही। उसमें धुआं ज़्यादा लग रही थी, लकड़ी पे ज़्यादा चलती, ये दिक्कत थी। और इसमें ये पतरा तप जाता तो उसमें ये सैली लकड़ी पे मतलब आग पकड़ लेती फटाफट, न लकड़ी कम जलती।
Behind the scenes of this transformative initiative is a dedicated deployment team. This team, the unsung heroes of the project, work tirelessly to ensure that these cook stoves reach the people who need them the most. Their journey is a challenging one. They traverse rugged terrains and navigate through remote locations where rarely any proper pathways or roads exist. They face harsh weather conditions, from scorching heat to torrential rains. But their determination remains unwavering.
कुछ जगह ऐसे हैं जहां बहुत दूर दूर तक जाना पड़ता है, कुछ कच्ची गलियों में, कीचड़ में, और कुछ जगह ऐसे हैं जहां पैदल चल के जाना पड़ता है, भारी दिक्कतों का सामना करते हुए जाना पड़ता है।
Their mission is clear: to bring a change, a breath of fresh air, literally and metaphorically, into the lives of millions. The smiles they bring to the faces of the women, the relief they provide to the families, and the change they are facilitating in these communities make every hardship worth it. The deployment team's efforts have already resulted in the distribution of more than 2 million improved cook stoves, touching the lives of about 10 million people.
चूल्हा दिए, चूल्हा के बारे में बताते हैं कि ये उन्नत चूल्हा इस तरीके से काम करता है। इसमें चारों तरफ छेद है, नीचे भी जाली लगा हुआ है जिससे ऑक्सीजन जाता है, और धुआं भी है तो छेद के माध्यम से अंदर घुस जाता है। उससे आपको पर्याप्त मात्रा में ऑक्सीजन मिलता है जिससे लो बन करके वो खाना जल्दी बनाता है।
So we introduce QR code on the steel plate, and this QR code comprises with all vital data of the cook stove, like their unique serial number. We are collecting all data in the real time. We introduce a very efficient mobile application, and we are collecting all the data, geolocations, and their identification, everything on this mobile application.
This initiative is reducing 6 to 8 million tons of CO2 every year. Every cook stove delivered by the deployment team carries a story of transformation. These stories are etched in the lives of the beneficiaries, in the smiles of the women who no longer have to inhale harmful smoke, in the laughter of the children who can now play in a smoke-free home, and in the relief of the families who no longer have to spend long hours collecting firewood.
फायदा की बात हुई कि हमारी लकड़ी भी तो कम जलती।
बहुत कम लकड़ी जलती है इसमें, और जंगल भी सुरक्षित रहेगा। पेड़ भी जाड़े काटने से क्या मतलब, छोटी छोटी लकड़ी बीन चुन के लिए आते।
With every such story, we move closer to a healthier, more sustainable future.
We have walked alongside the women burdened by the weight of firewood, felt the sting of smoke in our eyes, and witnessed the silent toll it takes on health and the environment. But we have also seen the transformative power of EKI's Clean Cooking Initiative, which has brought the ripple effect of change.
We distributed our cook stove in 9 states of India, 4 countries in the Africa, and we distributed almost 2 million cook stoves so far.
This initiative is not just about cook stoves or reducing CO2 emissions. It's deeply aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, aiming to end poverty, protect our planet, and ensure prosperity for all.
अब ये वाले चूल्हे में कम टाइम लगता है और खाना जल्दी बन जाता है।
और उसके बाद जितना टाइम बचता है उतना टाइम हम दूसरे काम में यूज़ करते हैं, जैसे कि कपड़े सिलाई में, बच्चों को होमवर्क में बच्चों को पढ़ा लेते हैं, फिर टाइम बचता है तो हम हमारी पढ़ाई कर लेते हैं।
It's about people. It's about empowering women, giving them back precious hours of their day. It's about protecting children, ensuring they grow up in healthier environments. It's about preserving our environment, taking steps to combat climate change and its impact.
हम चूल्हा जब देते हैं महिलाओं को तो वो खुश होकर के मुस्कुराते हुए जाते हैं, तब हम बहुत ज़्यादा गर्वान्वित होते हैं कि हमारे लोग जो है कितना अच्छे से खुश हो रहे हैं, और इससे हमारे आत्मा में, दिल में प्राउड महसूस होता है कि हम बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और लोगों का हित कर रहे हैं।
This is very important for the EKI because it's not a business, it's a beyond the business. This project is serving to the nation, society and the people.
Our efforts have been recognized internationally by the Environmental Finance Sustainable Company Awards 2023, where our Clean Cooking Initiative was honored with Community Involvement Program of the Year Award for EMEA region. And as we look towards the future, we are filled with hope. Hope for a world where every kitchen is smoke-free, every meal is cooked without harming the environment, and every woman, child and family can lead healthier, more sustainable lives.
By providing clean cooking solutions, we are fostering well-being, equality, empowerment, and strengthening journey towards sustainable future.
We are kindling brighter prospects, ensuring clean cooking becomes a reality for all through collective efforts. Together, we illuminate not only kitchens but lives, fostering a sustainable, inclusive future. Our journey reflects unwavering resolve to enhance lives and cultivate a greener world for generations to come.
This is the world we envision and the world we are working towards, one cook stove at a time.